National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Otsego County, Delaware County, northwestern Sullivan County, north central Wayne County, and northeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Cooperstown Junction to Franklin to Walton to Hancock, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockland, Oneonta, Walton, Delhi, Davenport, Roxbury, Worcester, Colchester, Maryland, and Courtwright.